Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to do the Kitchener stitch, which is helpful for when you want to graft together the toe of your sock or put two pieces of knit fabric together. You just need a tapestry needle and some yarn. Usually you can just use the yarn that you've been knitting with, but for the tutorial I will use a different color so you can see what's going on. So you want to make sure that the wrong sides are together and the right sides are facing out. The first two stitches are setup stitches. So you're going to insert your needle, purlwise through the front stitch on the front needle, and then knitwise on the first stitch on the back needle. And now you can start the stitch pattern, which is just four stitches. So the first one, insert your needle knitwise through the first stitch and slip it off that needle, and purlwise into the second stitch, leaving that one on. Then move to the back and you'll insert it purlwise, slipping this stitch off, and then on the second stitch insert it knitwise and leave that one on. And you just do that over and over and over. So knit the first stitch off, purl the next one, leaving it on the needle. Go to the back, purl the first stitch off, knit the next one, leaving it on your needle. Knit off, purl on, purl off, knit on, knit off, purl on, purl off, and knit on. Knit off, purl on, purl off, knit on. Now if you want to do it a little faster, you'll knit off, keeping the stitch on your needle, purl on, and pull your yarn through both loops. Same with the back. Purl off, keeping the stitch on your needle, knit on, and pull your yarn through both loops. And just keep doing that all the way down. So knit off, purl on, purl off, knit on, front needle, knit off, purl on, back needle, purl off, knit on. And just keep doing that to the last 4 stitches. Now we're at the last 4 stitches. So we'll just knit off, purl on, purl off, knit on, and then we will knit off, and then you would purl on for the next stitch if it was there. So then we'll go to the third step, which is purl off. Pull the needle through, and then I like to reinsert it into that last front stitch we did. So now you can see you have one piece of fabric and it is all connected here. And if it's a little uneven like it is here, you can just pull some of these stitches and even it out that way. That looks better. And it's that easy. So hopefully this helped. Let me know, and happy knitting.